What if the secret to thicker, fuller hair was just light? A few years back, scientists discovered something about hair loss, and it has nothing to do with shampoo. So if you're losing more hair than you're growing, you might want to pay attention to this video before you spend another dime on supplements. Thinning hair, receding hairlines, bald patches, and genetic conditions like alopecia, all of that can be addressed in 12 minutes with red light therapy. We're going to share in this video how that works, demonstrate some brand new technology and a brand new device that can help you grow or regrow healthier hair. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As I said, today we're going to be talking about red light therapy. I'm going to be talking about a brand new device that Qure Skincare has sent me. If you guys followed me any length of time on the channel, you know that I'm a big proponent of red light therapy when it comes to skin rejuvenation. But over the last 4 or 5 years, I've also introduced red light therapies for scalp and hair health because red light therapy works, bottom line. And we've seen an evolution of these devices over time: combs, ball caps, helmets. And what we now know scientifically is that there's a certain strength of red light therapy that needs to be applied on a consistent basis to reactivate hair follicles to help them grow. And not only that, red light therapy has been shown to be able to enhance the effects of topical products such as minoxidil and peptides in helping to retain hair that you have and actually regrow some of what you've lost. Now, because this channel is all about facts and science-backed techniques and treatments, we'll tell you there is no magic bullet yet on completely regrowing a full head of hair that's been lost, especially when it comes to medically induced baldness from health issues or genetic pattern baldness. Those are the two areas still the toughest to get good results, but red light therapy has proven to be able to break through the barrier of dormant hair follicles and improve that growth to some degree in most all individuals. Again, everybody's a little bit different. Some people see a huge difference, some people see less of a difference. But before we jump into this device and I tell you about it and how it works and what's new about it, if you're new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson. I'm a skincare expert. I've been helping people with skin conditions, beauty, and skincare in general for the last 38 years. So if you've been looking for that type of information from someone here on YouTube that's been walking the talk a really long time, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. So let's talk about this device. Qure Skincare's Q-RENW LLLT red light therapy helmet for hair growth. And where this particular device is different from most red light therapy devices is that it includes two technologies: red light therapy and low-level laser light therapy. Both proven to be powerful on their own, but when applied together, really provide the environment for hair regrowth by reactivating dormant follicles and improving overall scalp circulation and health. And this particular helmet has 370 medical-grade LEDs and lasers. All of these calibrated to optimal wavelengths to boost circulation and follicle activity. And you would use the helmet for 12 minutes per session, once daily, 4 to 7 times a week. You can use it every single day if you want to, but Qure recommends a minimum of at least 4 days per week. Now, I love the fact that this particular helmet has an LED screen on the side that helps you operate it, has a countdown timer where it automatically turns itself off. That LED screen also allows you to select specific areas you want to treat on the scalp, and it's an extremely lightweight helmet that actually has an internal sizing mechanism so that you can get the helmet to fit exactly where it needs to on your scalp, using new technology to give you the best in-home red light therapy for hair regrowth. I myself have been using red light therapy for a long time. Many of you who follow me know that I have a condition where I have patches of hair fall out of my scalp. I actually have that condition on my arms and legs where sometimes I have hair on my legs, sometimes I don't. We all have our thing. That's my genetic thing. But when it comes to scalp hair, what I found is red light therapy is very effective for me in stopping that process and allowing hair to grow fully in, cutting way back on the episodes where I have thinning hair issues. So for the girls and the guys both, this is a great therapy. If you've been having issues with thinning hair, especially as you get older, red light therapy is very effective that way as well. And of course, devices like these are not inexpensive, but when you add up the cost of topicals and other hair treatments and supplements that really don't provide a lot of results for a lot of people, a one-time spend on a red light therapy device is well worth it, especially with Qure. They're one of the few brands that guarantee their devices for 3 solid years. So as always, I will put a link down below in the video description where you can go read about this particular device and what it can specifically do for you. And as always, I also ask, If you decide to use this device, please come back to the video and let us all know how the treatments are working for you. And for even more ways to roll back that clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that I picked out for you next. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really do appreciate you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.